My name is Egan Inoue, and I am the one who developed this Jett Performance Trainer. I originally designed it for my son to strengthen his grip, his finger strength, his grip strength, forearm strength, shoulder strength, to reduce the chances of injury and also to increase the velocity of his throwing speed. While doing that, I created two, a junior and an adult. And the reason for that is there are so many studies showing that grip strength has a lot to do with longevity. And I know for a fact, we all want to live long, and as a youth, we all want to be able to throw the ball harder, perform better, whether it's a racket sport, whether it's a ball sport, and having strong grip and forearm never hurts. In these boxes, you will find it's the same. The junior has weaker bands. Okay, so it goes like this. The orange is the weakest band, and then the next. So you got 3 bands in here. You have a ball, and also in here is the door stop, or this is the one that you can put in the door so you can do the exercises at home. Also a sticker and a bag for you to carry your Jett trainer. So this is what the junior one has in there. And the strongest band is this yellow band. When you move to the adult performance the grip master, you start with the yellow band, and then you move your way to the blue, and then to the black, and of course, the same things inside.